Hello everybody, this is me Hina Zain and welcome back to my channel. Today we are just unboxing all of this makeup. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, so we are starting with this bag first. It's a bigger one, and let's start with the foundation section. Okay, on the top I have two Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundations in two different shades. It's such a beautiful foundation. It gives your skin such a flawless finish, and actually with this foundation you will have beautiful photographs. You will have beautiful photographs. Okay, so over here I have two Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundations in, yes, again two different shades. And there I have Huda in all those different shades. Yes, all Hudas. Okay, so the other foundation is from NARS. It's their Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Okay, so here we have Huda Mattifying Primer. This one is a mattifying one. Yeah, I have this French cream. It's a French cream, is everything. If you put this cream under your makeup will not end up being cakey, and it is an extremely good moisturizer for winters. I love this, so I want to make sure that I have backups. Okay, so we are done with this section. Now let's go to this section. Okay, so we are done with this section, all the foundations over here, and now we are moving further. Over here I have two MAC powders. These are Mineralized Skin Finish. One is in the shade Soft and Gentle, the other one is in the shade Give Me Sun. Okay, this one is the highlighter and the other one is the bronzer. And so it's such a beautiful champagne color, and I love this highlighter. Okay, so moving further, we have two Charlotte Tilbury powders, Airbrush Flawless powders. These two powders are actually so pretty under your eyes. They will not give you those under eye creasing after your concealers. Actually, these are quite pricey, but if you want to invest in some good powders which will not give you those under eye creasing, if you have fine lines under your eyes, I highly recommend these two powders. These are amazing. Okay, after than that we have two Becca Champagne Pop. This is a cream one. Actually, it's not the powder one and it's not the liquid one, it's the cream one. It's an illuminator. After than that we have NYX bronzers in different shades. Here you go. We have in all those different shades for my clients. Okay, so fix that back. Okay, over here I have one of my most used liquid lipsticks. These are the matte ones and these are from the Balm. Okay, after than that I have a vitamin C moisturizer. It's from The Ordinary. And then okay, other than that I have a liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's in the shade Vintage. Okay, some moisturizer. Okay, and I have some palettes here. These are from Makeup Forever. Okay, so these are from Makeup Forever. Okay, so the other two are also from Makeup Forever, and these are their Pro Sculpting Brow Palettes. Okay, so one is their cream blush palette. This is their cream blush palette. Okay, the other one is the foundation palette, and you can actually mix your shade, customize your shade, make your own shade according to your client's skin tone. So these two are from Makeup Forever. I highly recommend, if you're a makeup artist, you should have these kind of palettes. Okay, so this one is their brow Pro Sculpting Palette, and I have two of these. One, actually three of these. One is already in my kit, so I need some backups. So this is the palette from inside. Okay, so the last thing from this bag or this side is this Anastasia blush trio, and this is the shade. Okay, so we are done with these three sides, and let's get into this one quickly. Okay, so these are the shadow shields. I actually use these when I am using some pigments, eye glitters, just in case I might have some fallouts, so I just need to be prepared. I have my L'Oreal Infallible primers over here. These are the luminizing ones, so I have backups. Okay, down there it's my favorite concealer. If you guys know and you are following me for long, you know that this concealer is my favorite. Okay, so this is not a very expensive one, but actually it does the job. Okay, then we have L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer, and we have Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, another Maybelline. Okay, so here we have some Ardell Duo Lash Glues. One is the black one and the other one is the white transparent one. I just want to have backups, so 4 are these. Down there we have some NYX Lippies, and then last is this Anastasia mascara. Okay, so we are done with these, and now let's move to that one. Okay, here we have Inglot. This is the cream eyeshadow. Over here we have so many pigments. This is the NYX glitter glue and MAC pigments. All those MAC pigments. I have few MAC pigments. I have few NYX pigments. And okay, over there I have some eye patches. I use these on my clients who have some very dry, who has some kind of dryness under their eyes. So I use them just to hydrate those under eyes before with this bag. Okay, so this is a brush bag, which you can actually adjust according to you, how you want that. And over here I have one Morphe brush set. It's 702. It's actually one of my favorite brush set. And the other one is Morphe Jaclyn Hill eye brush set. Yeah, so all these brushes are the eye brushes, and if you want to see a detailed video on eye brushes as well, do let me know. Okay, so we are moving further to the palettes. So I have two palettes here. Let's start with the big ones. These are from Morphe. Okay, so one is 35V Stunning Vibes, the other one is 35S. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the 35S, this is 35S. It has some colors and some neutrals as well. It's very pretty. I like it. Okay, so other one is quite neutral and with some pop of colors. This one is so pretty as well. Yeah, Morphe. Okay, other than that, we have this small bag. Let's open it. So quickly opening it up. Ta-da! We have some more goodies. So this is NARS loaded eyeshadow palette. Let's take it out first. The NARS blush palette. Anastasia Glow Kit. Oh, I've been waiting for this palette for so long. And another is Soft Glam by Anastasia. You all know how beautiful this palette is. And we have A23 Pro brush. Then the last thing from this bag is this NYX Honey Dew Me Up. It's a primer, like dewy primer from NYX. Okay, so let's open this up. How beautiful this is. I love this palette. It's a must-have. I love it, how beautiful this palette is. Another is a glow kit. It's actually a highlighting palette. Most of you know about this palette, how beautiful this is, stunning. And we are not wasting our time on these because you all know about this. Let's start with NARS. Here you go, the blush palette. This is the NARS Narciest brush palette, and that's the loaded eyeshadow one. Okay, so this one is the NARS loaded one, and it's pretty actually. I like it. I like the neutrals there. And then we have some lashes. These are all from Ardell. As you can already see, I have some demi wispies, some in different pairs, some individual ones just for the ones who don't want those heavy lashes. So yeah. Okay, so I have some more stuff. Just take it out from the bag so it will be easier for me to show you guys. These are some disposable ones. I highly recommend makeup artists to start using these. Just be careful about the hygiene and all that. So these are the liner ones, disposable ones. These are the mascara ones, and these are the lip ones. Yeah. Okay, so these here are my face powders, loose face powders. These are from Coty Airspun, and I really like these powder. These are so beautiful, but I don't use this in winters as much because these are like quite drying, so I don't use this in winter. But in summers, I always use this. Okay, here we have Real Techniques small sponges, just for my under eye blending, concealer blendings. Over there I have my XL. Over there I have my XL All Nighter Urban Decay makeup setting spray. I hope this will last me a little longer than the normal size, because that one I just ran out of it so quickly. And then I have this Lucas Papa ointment. This is a beautiful ointment if you have a dry skin and dry lips. So very beautiful and very effective. Okay, so we are done with the unboxing, as you can see, and over there on that last bag I have some mixing palettes and some skincare and that hand fan. But if you want to see a detailed skincare video as well, do let me know that as well. And this is the end of my new makeup unboxing. I hope you like this video.